Rumor: Apple is working on another iPhone 9, iPhone SE2, with dimensions similar to that of the iPhone 8, 5.4-inch screen and Face ID. Recently, a well-known insider OnLeaks showed how the iPhone 9, aka iPhone SE2, with a Touch ID fingerprint scanner will look like. According to new rumors, there will be several such models of devices. What is known? According to the Japanese edition of Makotakara, Apple is still preparing a 5.4-inch smartphone with the dimensions similar to that of the iPhone 8. This was announced by several parts suppliers at CES 2020. The novelty will receive reduced frames around the screen, as well as the function of unlocking the device using the Face ID. Because of this, the device will have a cutout, but it should be smaller than that of the iPhone X/XS and iPhone 11. Another smartphone will be equipped with an A13 Bionic chip and 3GB of RAM. When to expect? There is no information yet when Apple is going to release such an iPhone 9 model. Perhaps the device will debut with the iPhone 2020 line in September.